Max, you gonna say hi?
Hi.
Hi to who?
Mommy.
Mommy. And you, my sweet Alex? Are you gonna say hi? Say hi to who?
Hi, mommies.
And that's it?
I love you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Looks there's somebody out shoveling the snow.
Can we shovel with my Bob the Builder?
Oh, somebody's out shoveling the car. Trying to clean the car.
Can I see?
There, outside.
I see it. I see. It's copying him, right?
Hmm?
It's copying him, right?
I don't know.
Forward.
Snow's bad.
Yes.
Mm.